All right, here comes tip number 3, and that is staging. The goal of staging is to make your home attractive to the highest number of buyers and bring in the highest price. Let me say that again. We are fleshing out the highest price. Now, staging can be as simple as adding pillows, artwork, plants, and lighting. Those are the 4 things to focus on, by the way: pillows, artwork, plants, and lighting. But it's really all about emphasizing the architectural features of the room and helping the buyer to imagine themselves living there. It's quite an art form. As you can see in this photo, the windows are the architectural feature, so there are no draperies, but there are plants to the right and the left, and the light fixture helps draw focus to that area. You'll also notice the art gallery is laid out to mimic the graphic lines of the windows. This is the art of staging. But in all honesty, it's true that the average person feels like staging is an unnecessary expense, and that breaks my heart because staging builds perceived value, which can increase your profits. Staging builds perceived value, and that can increase your profits. Maybe you've never thought of staging as a way to increase the do-re-mi in your pocket. Now, while we're talking about staging, here's what I want you to know. Most homeowners miss out on a whopping 15 to 20% of their home's value. That's a very big deal, and that's something I wouldn't want you to miss out on. So how can we squeeze another 15 to 20% out of your house? Well, I did some quick research, and here's what I found. Over 80% of staged homes will typically sell within 30 days. If you're interested in a quick sale, then staging can certainly help accelerate that. Now, of those that sold within 30 days, over 80% will sell over the asking price, over the price you think you can get. And on average, staged homes will sell up to 45% of the original price. Now, of course, these numbers are all subjective and depend on whether your house was a total fixer, whether it was already fully upgraded, what price range it's in, but still, 45% is too significant of a number to ignore. And that's why we're talking about staging right now. So I'm a big fan of getting the most do-re-mi when you sell your home. So staging is definitely a marketing strategy that I can recommend. All right, let's move on to number 4.